Hello good day friends, welcome to this video. I'm going to be placing a withdrawal of around 52 USDT, which is cumulatively in naira, which is around 84,000 naira plus. Now let's see the conversion rate of a dollar to a naira on this exchange. Now a dollar to a naira is around 1,632. So let me just quickly place a withdrawal on this platform. I'm going to be showing you guys a detailed step-by-step guide on how you can register on this platform and how come I'm having an interest rate of around 52 USDT. So first off, let me quickly just place this withdrawal and then I show you guys a detailed step-by-step guide on how you can go about it. So for me, what I'll be making use of is USDT BEP20. As you can see, this is a live wallet account and you can see the amount that we have here currently. You can see I refreshed it. So let me just place this withdrawal and you are going to discover that the withdrawal is going to arrive safely right here in just few seconds, or will I say just give it few minutes, less than a minute or so. So let me just impute my login password right here and then I get started with it. I'm going to show you guys how you can actually register here. So the next thing I'm going to do is tap on confirm and you can see my withdrawal is confirmed. My withdrawal is successful. Remember how much we had earlier on that wallet I showed you guys. So this was actually what I started off with, which is around 325 USDT, and I'm earning an interest of around 16% interest. So let me just quickly log out and then I show you guys how you can actually do with this. I'm going to show you guys the confirmation that this withdrawal have actually arrived on my own wallet. So first of all, you just need to do is to click down the link in the description box of this video, or you check down the pinned comment so you can actually register on this platform yourself. So once you just click on that link, you are just going to see register and then you input your email, your login password, you confirm it, and then a security password. Or you can just come here and click on phone number registration and then you tap here and then you choose your country code. However, me, I'm already registered on this platform, so all I'm just going to do is to tap on login. Remember, I already logged in on this platform and I just had to log out and log in again so I can show you guys how you can actually do this on your own. So let's just show you guys the startup process. Remember, I just placed the withdrawal and we are going to confirm it at the end of this video. So let's just tap on close. Let's even go confirm it in so guys, this is it. Our withdrawal is actually confirmed. You can see right here in your screen, remember the actual balance that we had, and if I refresh this again, you can see that this is it. The 52 USDT has actually arrived. That's approximately almost 100,000 in naira. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you guys how you can actually recharge and you earn. Now it is not actually compulsory for you to actually start up with the amount I'm starting up with. Remember, let me make this disclaimer officially, I'm not a financial advisor. All I do here is to show you guys different ways that I earn in the cryptocurrency space, and it's now left for you to actually make your choice out of it. My target is that in the first 7 days I'm going to get my capital back, and then afterward I'm going to earn good interest out of it. Now on this platform, the duration is supposed to be around 30 days. So in the next 30 days I'm going to be earning over 2x my actual startup. So the first 7 days I have my capital back, and every other day that the platform still keep on existing, I'll be earning interest rate. So that's how you win in these platforms as this. So please make sure as you are seeing this video right now and you watch it to the end, you get started immediately that I'm posting this video. So now this is it. If you want to actually recharge, first of all, before you recharge, you are just going to come here and go to this aspect that you see quantify. Now before you quantify, you can see this actually what I started up with, right? So 16% of 325 USDT is around 52 USDT per day. You understand? So let's just go back to home and you can also read on this detail and then you close it. There is an app available for this platform. You can just click on this icon right here and then you confirm. You can download the app and operate with it. So if you want to recharge on this platform, all you just need to do is to come right here and then you click on recharge. So if you click on recharge, there are different wallet address that is going to be presented to you that support USDT. We have our network as USDT TRC20, we have TRX, we have BEP20, we have BNB, and we have BEP20 USDC. But for me, I love to make use of USDT BEP20 because the gas fee and transaction fee is actually very low and minimal. So if you just do that, you are just going to tap on copy and then you recharge. Now after you are done recharging, the next thing you are going to note that you will be tapping on what we call quantify, right? So now there are different recharge process. Now the first of all, there is a recharge process. You can actually start with as low as 10 USDT. So however, the amount you started up with, right, is going to give you an earning interest. You understand? There is an earning interest here. Now this is the minimum unlock for VIP1 is around what, 15 USDT. So if you start up with 15 USDT, you'll be earning around 15% of that 15 USDT, which is approximately around 2.25 USDT. You understand? So if you're earning 2.25 on a daily basis, multiplied by 7, you already have your return of, you already have your capital back, and then you have an any interest rate. So for me, what I went with the VIP2, and this is how the VIP2 actually looks like. If you come here and tap on this, there is a minimum the minimum unlock for this is around 150 USDT to 325. So I went with the last. Remember, like I said, if you want to register on platforms as this, please make sure you're making do of funds that you can afford to let go. However, like I said, the duration of this platform is around 30 days. So but in the first 7 days, please make sure you are withdrawing on a daily basis so you can actually earn from this. So after you are done, once you've tapped on this, when you recharge, please you come here and tap on this based on the amount. You understand? You tap on this and then you click on what? Unlock. You are going to see what is called unlock. So after you are done unlocking, you come here and click on the second icon. The second icon counting from my right is called quantify. So once you click on that quantify, what you are just going to do is to what? Tap on start quantify. So for me, I have tapped on start quantify for today and I've earned my interest, which is around 52 USDT. So that's how you do it on a daily basis and you keep on earning. So please make sure you like, you comment and you subscribe to this channel. If you do not understand anything, find your way down to my Telegram channel and ask your questions. Thank you guys for watching.